This place is sick. Phew. Alright. We're at the next beach. We're gonna try it out. Playa de Cala Serrana. If you have any questions where this is, just drop me a comment and I will text you it or comment back this location. Also, I don't want to geotag, that's why I don't want to just blow it up, you know? In case I only get like 100 views on my videos, but in case this one does get like 1,000 to 5,000 views, like I don't want to blow this spot up. And also, if this is your first time watching, thank you. I know I shout out to those who already have been watching, those 10 people that are consistent viewers, you know, come back and view my videos. So, also, if you're the first time watching, thank you. Maybe watch another video so you become one of those consistent viewers that I see on my end when I look at my analytics. But if not, then comment below and tell me what I could work on as a YouTuber, because I'm always trying to grow and learn. So, like, yeah, if you don't really like this video, or just give me a positive comment on how to better edit my videos, or better, like, portray things, or just make videos about different things. That way I can work and grow as a YouTuber. So, yeah, thank you. Let's get down to the beach. This is the entrance to the beach. It sounds like it's going. Oh, let's see. Got no clue what this all says. I understand some Spanish, and I can speak a tiny bit of Spanish, but I can't read signs and like understand everything. Oh, those are my keys tapping the GoPro. Okay, y'all. This video is all about me diving some beaches, snorkeling, and just showing you what I found. This pristine sand beach also has a bar and music a little farther up there on the sand, but it's perfect. The water temperature is 80 degrees. What do you want more? Oh, also, there's a bunch of shells, but make sure when you're looking for shells, like this one has a hermit crab in it, as you can see, and the hermit crab's holding onto the other shell. So just leave those shells in the water so you don't kill any of the animals. Also, look at this school of fish. This is amazing. It is so incredible to swim with these schools of fish. Although they're really small, it's really interesting to watch them all move together. Like here, we have two, one in the background, one in the foreground. And it's so much fun to swim in and through them and all around them and just watch them all move as one entity. And, well, here I found the sole of a shoe. Might as well pick it up, take the trash out while we're at it, right? And if you have any clue here what this plant/animal is here, this green one in the foreground, please comment below. I have no clue. Thank you. That's crazy. Nicknamed the fried egg jellyfish. The real name is long and confusing, the Greek name, so I'll throw that in the description if you want the actual name of this jellyfish. Check that out. But look how beautiful this is. Wow. Look at these sunbeams coming through this crystal clear water. It's just beautiful. And then the school of fish down here at the bottom on the sand, amazing. I think they're mullet, but please comment if you do know what type of fish this is. I'm not sure. I'd love it if you let me know. Wow, look at these sunbeams again. It is so beautiful. It is incredible. It is like a movie set out here. Some more jellyfish. There's a few off in the distance back there, so careful when you're swimming. And umbrella tops. They put like the palm fronds on top of that. So yeah, just some more trash. And look at that outline of the tree above me in this epic water with sunrise. It is just phenomenal. That is too beautiful. Oh, almost came up on a jellyfish. Supposedly, these jellyfish don't sting, or if you sting, they're very minor and they're not bad for humans. If you comment below, I'll test it out. I'll touch a jellyfish. Just so hit me up in the comments. Tell me, touch a jellyfish. Oh, and that is a mini sand dollar. That is incredible that I found that thing. I don't even know how I saw it. Y'all, not gonna lie, the mask with the beard, with the mustache, it's really hard because you don't get a seal, and then water goes up in your mask because you don't get the seal on your mustache. So like Vaseline or something to kind of keep that hair down and slick really helps. Yeah, or you can just always come up and just empty out the bottom of your mask, or if you're underwater, you can slightly hold your mask open on the bottom and blow air through your nose, and it will blow all that water out as you're diving under the water. So if you're at the bottom you can still clear mask full of water by blowing out your nose and slightly holding the bottom of your mask open. Like that. Yeah, it's a sweet tip. Pro tips only for snorkeling. Okay, I literally looked up all these fish online. I can't really find any of the names. It's so confusing. I just try and find the names of these fish and other fish online. I can't figure it out. So if you know, please comment below, like the sand bubble thing. Something's obviously under the sand blowing that up. And there's another fish. I'm really bad at these fish identification, so... Oh, a different type of jellyfish. I wasn't able to find this one online either. So just please comment below if you do know any of these animals, and you can help me just have that knowledge as well. So next videos I post, and I can have that knowledge and share it with even more people. That would be amazing. So please reach out, maybe timestamp it like 1:30 or whatever. It's this fish. Oh, small halibut or a small flounder. A baby. That thing's so cute. Look at that thing just puff around in the sand. Boom, and then it's gone. It was so quick. And these next fish, I like to say they're like a zebra sea bream, but I'm not sure. I think a zebra sea bream, the stripes go the other way. I'll show the fish in a second. The stripes go the other way, but these are lengthwise along the bodies, and zebra's brim I think are vertical. I don't even know. So just hit me up in the comments if you do know this fish here. I really appreciate it. It's so confusing online, I tell you. And when you do see like a school of fish like this, don't be afraid to swim along in with them. It is so beautiful. Just all these mini fish kind of moving all as one entity, like I said earlier. There's fish down there on the bottom on the sand. It's just epic. Everything's incredible, so just enjoy it. Yeah, there's a tunnel going up through the cliff right there. Someone's got their boat docked. You can climb up that tunnel, up there, up to their house up there. That's sick. I would say everything here in the ocean so far, jellyfish and other types of fish, and these flounders and stuff, can't hurt you. Oh, look, there's a trap. I don't even know. Maybe crabs, I think? I don't know what they're trying to trap there. I believe it's like an illegal trap. But yeah, so all these fish and jellyfish, they're not really that dangerous. It just hurts a little bit, jellyfish sting, but I'll just say enjoy life. Snorkeling, it's so beautiful. Don't be scared of the water. Really, don't be scared of swimming there next to fish or on the jellyfish. I also don't want you to get stung. Oh, here's some glass. I sadly couldn't take it because I'd cut myself. And if you're interested in shells, I have not found any shells up on the beach on the dry sand. You have to dive for them. I am coming out with another video just about shells. And here come the little flounder again. It's so beautiful. Look at it. All right, YouTube. I had a blast snorkeling. It was amazing. Did you see that color? Like when I dive down and the trees are like reflecting off the top of the water and the sun rays are just beaming through and it creates that like pattern on the bottom. Oh my God, this place was so beautiful. The sand was amazing. So many fish. That like small, I don't even know if it's a halibut, but that small flat fish with the two eyes on the top, that was amazing. Maybe it's some type of flounder. I don't know. Also, I'm not very good at the fish names here on Mallorca. And also, those two jellyfish, those ones that have the kind of the stingers or whatever you want to call it on the bottom, they're kind of purple. And that one that's see-through, that was hacked up a little bit. If you know any of the fish names, just please comment below. And I'm going to try to do some more research on the names of all these like common fish that we see and jellyfish and all that. But I just want to say thank you for watching. This was a blast. It was so beautiful. And hey, maybe consider subscribing or smashing that like button. Or maybe even watch another video because only 0.4 people are returning viewers. So, hey. And if you're one of those 0.4, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thanks for coming back again. Yeah. Comment below if you want to see some more snorkeling videos or some more info about different beaches or anything like that. It's going to be sick. So, yeah. Thank you for watching.